Hey guys, Sachin here. So welcome to my channel. If you're interested in Warriorplus affiliate marketing, personal one-on-one help, then this video could probably help you, my friend. Okay, so this is a video which gonna show you how you can get personal one-on-one coaching in Warriorplus affiliate marketing, Clickbank affiliate marketing, or any kind of network you choose. And I'm going to be sharing with you how I can help you in affiliate marketing. So these are basically my students' results in this month. Okay, so this is one of the guy whose name is Anas. Okay, the first month, 4th of October, we started traffic, and within the first month, he made over 70 bucks. Okay, this is not some magic $1,000, $500. I'm going to be sharing with you the realistic numbers, my friend. Okay, this is not a get rich promise where you're going to be getting free traffic and you're going to be making $2,000 in a day. Now, this is a realistic results which I'm going to be sharing with you. All right. So this is probably my student which I help. Set up all the things in the right place, and then we started traffic and he got results. Okay, so some of the results which I need to show you more over here. This is another one. He just got started and he got like $49 within the first week, my friend. Okay, now this is not a guarantee that you're also going to be making that kind of money. We teach you the right way, okay, the right method on how to do affiliate marketing in a proper way. Okay, this is for the long-term results. Okay, my friend, understand how actually the affiliate marketing works, my friend. Okay, so another results which I need to show you, okay, is this is Manu. This is another student, and he got up and he emailed his list and he made a sale. He reported me on WhatsApp. Okay, another one, this is Manu itself. He showed me the screenshot of that sales. 2 sales almost made $37 instantly. Okay, I got up early in the morning at 5:25. Good morning, I got a sale. Okay, then this is from Manu. This is from another student, which is name is Bridge. He reported me. He got sale, the first sale he got. Okay, another student. This is Anas, and he just shared with me the first email broadcast that we sent, and this explains at 10 a.m. we sent out an email, and at 12:30 we made a sale. So these are realistic results, my friend. Even if you see, this is last results, and you can see over here, got sale from Sapphire. This is offer name, product name of 4 clicks, 1 sale. So this is pretty much easy way that I'm going to be sharing with you as a method in my personal one-on-one coaching, my friend. Even then, I'm going to be also sharing with you how you can get approved for our highest top CPA network, and I got him approved for Max Bounty. Now, this is not a game that you're going to be also getting approved, but I'm going to be telling you the right way to apply the things, how to get on a call, what kind of verification is done. And this is the biggest problem a lot of affiliates face, that they don't get approved for CPA network. And I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get approved. But first, let's just concentrate on personal one-on-one coaching with me, Sachin. Okay, so what you're going to be getting inside of this personal one-on-one coaching is, the first thing, you're going to be getting a squeeze page. Trust me, we have done like 4 to 5 tests for different students, and every single time we have not got below 50. Trust me, the lowest was 52%. We are going to be giving you a 50% plus opt-in rate squeeze page. It's proven, okay? And a lot of big names uses this kind of squeeze page, okay? So you're going to be saving a lot of money on testing different squeeze pages. This is proven to work, okay? Then Warriorplus affiliate offer. This is the biggest problem for newbie affiliate marketers, that they don't get approved to promote Warriorplus affiliate offer. Now, if you become a student, and I'm going to be telling you what messages to send when requesting the approval, but even if then you don't get approved, then I'm going to be personally messaging the vendor himself, then and sending in a message, then please approve. This is my student, and we're going to be giving you a good conversion. And trust me, a lot of time these are the big players, Billy Da, Glenkowski, they're going to be approving you. Okay, so for you, the approval process is made really easy with me. Okay, so we're going to be giving you highest converting Warriorplus approval. Then we're going to be setting up the email follow-up sequence, 7 email follow-up sequence, which I'm going to be giving you in a right way and in a right sequence that we're going to be setting up in your email autoresponder. And also I'm going to be sharing with you the best solo ad vendor. Trust me, my friend, I have tested on Udemy like 70, 80 times, a lot of different vendors, and I've got the best person in the place. Not only he's best when it comes to getting results instantly, but in the long term, his leads open your emails, click on it, and eventually buy, okay, if you provide them good quality content, okay? So I'm going to be giving you a good solo ad vendor, so you are saving a lot of money on testing the solo ad vendor. Trust me, you are going to be losing a lot of money if you don't know who is the best one in the long term. Also, I've been buying traffic from 2019, and I know for a fact who is the person who is really great when it comes to buying solo ads and getting leads for a longer term. Okay, so we got to be using that person, and most of the time we get sales instantly, but that is not a guarantee. Eventually in an email follow-up we get some sales. All right, now of course email swipes, which I'm going to be giving you after the email follow-up ends. I'm going to be giving you email swipes to send out daily emails. Okay, it's really important to send out daily emails in this affiliate marketing or email marketing business, my friend. You stop emailing your subscribers, your business will stop. Trust me, listen to this. You stop emailing your subscribers, you stop sending traffic to your squeeze page, your business will stop, not instantly, but eventually. Trust me. Okay, so we're going to be giving you the email swipes, a bunch of email swipes, and tell you how to use them on a daily basis. Trust me. Then what we're going to be giving you is the best time to send out emails. There are 3 to 4 best times in a day which I have tested for the past 5 to 6 years, and I'm going to be giving you that specific time to email your subscribers. So you're going to be emailing them at that specific time, and most of the time, like you have seen in this results video, that all right, you can see over here at 10 we send out email, and at 12:30 we made a sale. That's simple. Okay, now this is not happening every single time, but eventually I know for a fact there are some specific time where people are ready to buy, or people are ready to open, people are ready to engage with your emails. Okay, there's great timings which I know, and I'm going to be giving you that. Also, I'm going to be giving you a mobile number, or maybe if you're not in India or in my country, if you're from US, UK, or any kind of country, we're going to be connecting on Skype, because on Skype, it's going to be a lot more easier to connect, show some stuff. Okay, so you can get my Skype number and we can talk on Skype whenever you want. You can message me there. I'm going to be replying you. Trust me, every single questions you have in this affiliate marketing business is going to be answered. Maybe if I'm not present over there, if not, I'm not in a position to answer, eventually I would answer really fast as I can. Okay, you can call me anytime if you have any questions. You can message me, you can call me. Okay, we can discuss how it's going to be working. Also, when you send me a message about this affiliate marketing personal one-on-one coaching, if you are interested in getting with me, I'm going to be giving you a video on how to use your traffic budget properly. Okay, it's really important to understand how to use your traffic budget importantly, and then we're going to be discussing how we're going to be going through this affiliate marketing plan. Okay, now first thing first, I should have told you when I started this video, but this is just for formality, my friend. Earnings disclaimer, because we don't take any guarantees of sales. We teach you the right method. Sales are not guaranteed. Me, Sachin Kulkarni, and my channel is not responsible for whatever results you get. We don't guarantee any sales, but please pause this video and read out all the information. This is just for legal stuff. Okay. However, we teach you honest method which is used right now and it will be used in future. So please don't get discouraged by this earning disclaimer. However, a lot of things are there which are not like that. You get results, you get sales, but as a legal stuff, it's not a guarantee. Okay. Now, if you want to apply for my personal one-on-one coaching, make sure to send me a message there at this Facebook ID. Okay, this is my personal Facebook ID. You can even message me at Instagram. I'm gonna show you that thing. Just a sec. Okay, this is my Facebook ID and this is my Instagram. Easy money from home. Okay, so you can see over here. You can message me over here. And I'm going to be helping you or messaging you on how you can we can go through this affiliate marketing process. Okay. Now, honestly speaking, trust me, something I want to discuss with you during this time is basically, my friend, listen to this. This is a business. This is not some get-rich squeeze scheme. Okay, so don't expect that you're going to be buying solo ads today and you're going to be getting results instantly. No, the person on the other side is the same person as you are, as me. Okay, he has funds, but he's not ready to buy because he don't know you. Okay, so in email follow-up sequence, we educate that person. You tell them how he can get a benefit from that particular product. Okay, and in this way, whenever a person sees a product a second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, maybe sixth time, he gets confidence, and then he sees that, okay, this person is looking genuine. He's emailing me every single day. He's providing me good quality content, and then the buying happens. Then the purchasing happens. Okay, so understand this thing. Don't be in that mindset that I'm going to be buying solo ad today and I'm going to be seeing the sales tomorrow. It happens, but 95% of the time, a lot of sales happens in email follow-up or in broadcast emails. Okay, nobody's ready with credit card in hand when you send out a solo ad or send out traffic to your squeeze page. Okay, understand this step. The first thing you need to understand in affiliate marketing is we are in the lead generation business. Okay, your leads is your business. Okay, product is something is a secondary offer. First, product is your lead. Okay, your subscribers. Okay, because these are the source of your income. To understand these things. So if you're interested in getting affiliate marketing personal one-on-one coaching, make sure to send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. And I'm going to be discussing with you first. If you want to get on a phone call with me before you apply or before you want to get on with me on personal level, then let's connect on phone on Skype and we can discuss how we're going to be going through. Okay, so because every person has different budget, every person has different intention, every person has different income ideas. Okay, so let me understand you first and then we can move forward. Okay, so if you're interested, send me a message on Facebook and we're going to be discussing on how we can get you results really fast. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.